Ladies and gents, boys and girls, welcome to another exciting show on Jerry's Tech Show.
You've never been on this platform before.
Who the hell is that? Am I tripping?
No. It's your announcer.
Okay. Oh, yeah. Welcome to Jerry's Tech Show, the new episode on Kick. What we have here is my main PC, and I decided to go ahead and change it up and mod it into my Everfirst mineral oil PC. I got 5 gallons of mineral oil, and we're going to see the temps and see if it's normalized. Hey, wait! Hey!
Disclaimer, I'm not endorsed nor affiliated with any company in this video. I bought all products with my own funds. The products that are shown is my own personal preference and trial and error. Products may or may not work in your use case.
We got 2 cameras in here with some RGB lighting, and it's really awesome to see. It turned out better than I thought. If you have any photo epilepsy, please discontinue. Let's get started. first mineral oil PC. We have no power. Here goes nothing. Uh-oh. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. It doesn't have oil yet. Alright, well, posted. Yeah, alright. It's posted. I want to try that pump either. Alright. 3 gallons. Alright. Yeah, I should have enough now. So let's do this again. Ready? Here we go. Oh shit. Alright. So you should see some you can get the right angle. Turn it on. Should see some oil coming out here. So you're gonna have a water fountain. Let's do this again. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it working. Yeah. Post. This is gonna post. Oh, it's posted. Woo! We get some usual high temps. It's like 86, 87 for my CPU. And I'm thinking that my cooler, that's not a good idea. So I think I gotta change that up. So we're gonna go ahead and shut it down, and I'm gonna change that. Modified this. This thing is a beast. We're gonna modify it and we're gonna put this in. Unfortunately, it did not turn out the way I planned. However, with the way the oil and the heat, all that heat, it took 3 hours for all that heat to build up into the oil. Oil is like a big sponge, but then you have to have enough cooling, proper cooling, to cool that oil. And I learned quite a bit from this project. And it was a bit very big mental challenge for me for this. I did extend on to this project, and I can't wait to show you. However, I got quite a bit of video I got to edit, and I will bring back a lot more on the technical side of this with building things. And you want entertainment, but then when I notice when I go into more of the technical things, my viewership kind of drops off. So this one was more just stable, trying to see if it was stable, put it to some music. Really cool to have like a music video, or you're in a nightclub or something. So anyway, I just wanted to show some entertainment. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment down below and like, subscribe. Until next time, see you later.